Yeah, welcome back. I'm just going to start topic 5 named back from the brink. It means simply back from the edge or back from the bank. And it has been written by Dean Tommy. And the objective of the topic, very important objectives have kept from the author. Just when we go through the objectives, we can learn many things in this topic. And the first objective of the topic, read about the life story of an Assamese conservationist. It means simply the person who guards, protects, or conserves the animals or birds. And just we are going to read about the Assamese conservationist. Second objective, make antonyms using prefixes. Just antonym, simply antonym, we know antonym means the opposite word, and just we can learn in this topic the opposite word using prefixes like fair, and just we add un as a prefix, unfair, like perfect, and we use im and it becomes imperfect. That is the opposite word or antonyms using prefixes. Second objective, learn the word idioms and phrases. When you go through the topic, we can learn it. And learn more about a spelling with long and short vowel sounds of a. Just we can learn the long and short vowel sound like break, 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 long vowel, like day, day, or like say. These words include the long vowel like mat, fat, yeah, bad, or ant, n. These are the short vowels. Simply we can understand when we go through it. And third objective, study different types of present, sentences, and learn about determiners and their uses. Just in this topic, we learn about the determiners too. And in determiners, we have learned many things about adjectives or articles. Yeah. In this topic, we also learn about this. Listen and make notes, make suggestions in a group discussion. Just we know to make notes and make suggestions in a group discussion. Just we know to write the suggestions. What kinds of structures do you follow to make suggestions? We can understand in this topic. And learn to pronounce and spell words with silent letters. And just we can understand how can we just silent the letter while pronouncing or producing or uttering different kinds of words like chalk. In chalk we don't pronounce the letter L. Like calm, in calm we don't pronounce the letter L. Like giraffe, in giraffe we don't pronounce double F. At last only we pronounce F. Like in, INN, we don't pronounce double N in. Just we pronounce in. Means we just leave there one N. Just you understand after reading this topic. Just I'm going to read the topic here. Purnima Devi Burman is a conservationist, biologist, and activist from Assam. Being a woman, she is guard, protector, a conserver of a bird. She is biologist and she is activist. Means she is active in all the works. And I think being a woman in our society, it is not a simple work. Although she is. Read this piece to find out how she single-handedly led a movement to save the globally endangered greater adjutant stock from extinction. And she has led a movement, she has raised a movement to save bird named greater adjutant stock from the extinction or from the disappearing. There is a subtopic like how villagers learn to love an ugly bird to save it from extinction. Just the villagers have made learn about to save the ugly bird. Simply, ugly bird means adjutant stock. And you know, a bird has a PR problem when a 19th century ornithologists refer to it as a prodigy of ugliness. Means PR problem means public relation problem. Public relation problem means just if we keep the good relationship with the birds, simply we can guard, we can save the birds. But when we don't keep the good relationship with the animal or birds, we can't save or conserve such animal. Just we love with parrot, and when we love with parrot, we keep parrot in our house. But the animals or birds which we don't love, when we start hating and just when we start destroying the nest of the animals, then simply such a birds or animals, such a birds can disappear from this world. And the this one is one of the best example of the bird who extinct from the world. That is the adjutant stock. And in 19th century uh, is one of the it is one of the means such a period in which there was peer problem or public relation problems with the animals, and because of that it became many reason, or because of it there was many reason uh, of extinction of the birds. This is the greater adjutant stock, an imposing bird which stands at a stunning 5 feet and has an 8-foot wingspan. Oh my god. Simply we can imagine the bird which has 5 feet long leg and 8-foot wing span. Simply when the bird spread its wing, it is 8 foot long and its leg is 5 feet. We can simply imagine how tall it is, and we can see in the picture. Simply by looking it, we can feel fear because of it. It means that it is such a huge bird. The description, while less than kind, is difficult to refute. When we describe it, just being kind, just we have to describe it, or it is difficult to refute means difficult to prove a statement or theory wrong. Just we have to being kind, you have to think about it. The greater adjutant's head is naked except for a few scraggly feathers, making it look like a balding old man. Means when we see the bird and its head, there are only few feathers over there. Otherwise, it looked it simply looks like a bald man. Means fully bald-headed man, or by having naked head without hair. No, that kinds of simply we can see in the picture. There are only few feathers being looked in the picture. Otherwise, simply it is like a bald-headed man. And a long orange pouch draggled draggles loosely from its neck, and there is a pouch which is hanging from its neck, and there is no melody in its call. There is no melody, means it is not a such a bird which sings very melody, means its sound is hoarse or rough. Its vocalization has been described as a grunting quack, means it is a hoarse or rough. No, there is not much grace in its movement either, and there is not grace, means there is little grace, means very few grace, and people simply don't care to protect it, or because of that it became the great reason of its extinction too. That much in this video. And just again I want to tell you one thing: go through the meanings of the topic. It is very nice topic. We can learn about many things about the bird, and nice words too this topic has. So go through the meanings and try to learn yourself. It will help you it will help you to understand whatever I will teach you. Be safe.